Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify real estate investments with Keller Williams, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding how to verify real estate investments is crucial for making informed decisions. Begin by researching the local real estate market. Use resources like Zillow or Realtor.com to gather data on property values. Look for recent sales in the area to compare prices. Check the average days on market to gauge demand. Next, connect with a Keller Williams agent. They can provide insights into the local market conditions. Schedule a meeting to discuss your investment goals. Ask them about the properties you are interested in. Request a comparative market analysis or CMA. The CMA will help you see how a property stacks up against similar ones. Evaluate the potential rental income. Review rental listings in the neighborhood for realistic estimates. Utilize tools like Rentometer to compare rental rates. Next, assess the property condition. If possible, schedule a property inspection. A detailed inspection will uncover any hidden issues. Inquire about the neighborhood's growth potential. Research upcoming developments or city plans that could affect property value. Speak with locals to gauge community stability. Consider the property's cash flow potential. Calculate expenses such as mortgage, taxes, and maintenance. Ensure the income will exceed your costs. Now, analyze financing options. Meet with a mortgage lender for advice on obtaining financing. Ask about interest rates, loan terms, and down payment requirements. Finally, trust your instincts and professional guidance. If something feels off, it's worth further investigation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.